Welcome to this BoldDesk AI Agent tutorial. In this video, you will learn exactly how to enable the AI agent inside your Line official account so it answers customer conversations automatically using the BoldDesk knowledge base. For the complete guide on creating and configuring an AI agent, check out the playlist linked in the card above or in the description. And if you want the full walkthrough, the complete Line integration setup video is also in our integrations playlist. Let's get started. I start by logging into BoldDesk as an administrator. Then, I open the chat module and expand the channels section. You can find the Line option listed here. Click to open the Line app configuration page. Next, click on the Manage button to open the accounts listing page. Here, you can add an AI agent when creating a new account or editing an existing one. I'll show it on an existing account today for this demo. I click the Edit button to open the Line account configuration page, navigate to the Chat tab, and toggle on the AI agent option. This leaves us with two options. The Assign to AI agent option automatically assigns customer conversations to the selected AI agent upon creation. The Assign to AI agent option transfers conversations manually using workflows. I select the Auto Assign option to keep it simple, and click Save to apply the changes. Now, when my customers start a conversation in the Line app, the BoldDesk AI agent instantly joins the chat and replies using the knowledge base. Fast, accurate, and in the customer's language. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more BoldDesk AI tips every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.